Evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page in the weekend edition of Saturday, June 5th, 2023. We have here six extra puzzles in this puzzle page. We have the tectonic, the binary puzzle 10 by 10. Here another 10 by 10 binary puzzle, and Sudoku with 1 star. Actually, it's a 1 star Sudoku with 27 printed digits. It's indicated with 3 stars. Here also a Sudoku with 3 stars, but actually it's a Sudoku with 2 stars. It has 26 printed digits. And the last one is a killer Sudoku. 4 of these puzzles I will do. Tomorrow I will do the Samurai Sudoku. And in the evening tomorrow, the additional. We have here 7 extra puzzles for tomorrow. Not all 4 of them I will solve, but let me first solve this one. Sudoku with 3 stars. Sudoku with 3 stars. Told you it's actually 2 stars puzzle because it has 26 printed digits. 26. And this one will be number 6532. 6532. And yeah, my time limit for 2 stars puzzle, well, 15 to 20 minutes. I need to solve this puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. Okay. So we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there, 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there, 7. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. Here, 7 in the middle column, no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 7 in this column, so no 7 there. Here, 7 in the last column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Okay, cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about the number 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in the first column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. Alright. Okay. Now, 9. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the third row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the row below, the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 9 goes there. 2, 2, okay. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this second column for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. 8, 8. 8, 8, okay. So we have let me think. 5, 5, 5. Yeah. 9, 9. Okay. All right. And now. Now. Let me think. 4. And we have a pair. We have a 2 and a 4 in this column. A 2 and a 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So that other pair in this big square, I don't know, it's 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 1 goes there. Then. Let me think. Yeah. 3, 8. 3, 8. Need a 2. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this row. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. Here can be 2 because we have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or there in this row. Here or there. We see another 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. I need a 4, 3, 8, 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in this column, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there, so 1 is left in this row for number 4. 1 box left in the third column for number 3. 3, 3, okay. So we need a 4 here. And now. Need a 3 there. We have a 2 here. I'm thinking. Need an 8 there. Yeah, the 8 in this row, the 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here, an 8. In the column next, so no 8 there's the only place left for 8 should be there. Alright. Now, we have all the 8s, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8, 6, 6, Need a 6 here. Alright. Need a 2 here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column be 3 in the middle column. Now only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row, so the row be 3. Now only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright. And now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 9. How about? Need a 9 here. Need a 7. 1 and let me think. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Yeah. Still thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have 2 and a 4 in this column. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 3. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. No, need a 3 here. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Alright. And now, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row. Last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. Then, yeah. Then. How about the 4 in this column? The 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is the number 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. Well, minus 2 minutes. But we solve it again, definitely 2 stars. And I like this one here, so we'll do think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.